Hi, welcome to Preset Store. In this video, I will show you how to edit the DNG filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here is some example of the photo using the filter. Before we get started, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be the first one to get an update from Preset Store. Thank you. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Light. Contrast to +15. Highlight to -30. Shadow to +50. White to -50. Black to +10. Next, go to Curve. Copy the example as shown. Great. Now, go to Color. Temp to +5. Tint to +5. Vibrance to +20. Saturation to -20. Then, go to Color Mix. Red. Saturation to -20. Luminance to -10. Orange. Hue to -10. Saturation to -40. Yellow. Saturation to -50. Luminance to -10. Green. Hue to +15. Saturation to -40. Luminance to -40. Aqua. Hue to +30. Saturation to -50. Blue. Saturation to -70. Luminance to -30. Next, go to Effect. Clarity to +20. Dehaze to +30. Now, go to Split Tone. For highlight part, hue to 208 and saturation to 13. For shadow part, hue to 54 and saturation to 15. Then go to Profile, choose Vintage 01.
Awesome. You have done a great job. Now, copy preset setting and apply to others.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And subscribe this channel for more video in the future.